Everybody, good afternoon. Just going to take a second to get the YouTube video set up. And I've got all afternoon, unlike every other day lately. I actually have all the time in the world. There'll be no rush today. I'll be able to go over everything. Anything you guys want to do, we'll go over. So it's shocking but true. Zero rush today. All day to do whatever you guys want to go over. Ask and you shall receive. Give me just 1 second to get this set up. Get to walking. And we'll be live on TikTok and YouTube for a few hours if you want. Whatever you guys want. I don't really care today. No rush. No rush. All right, let's see if anybody's here. Okay. What's up, Azar? I got your email. Thank you for sharing. I'll respond to that later. Or Bree will, or she may already have. I don't know. I do. What's up, D Nice? What's up, T310 for life? What's up, Azar? You can hear me better on TikTok. You can see me better on YouTube, generally speaking. What's Gladix? How do I say your name? What's up, Joe Bigga and Martin Griffiths, Kelly McMahon? What's up, Kelly? What's up, Leon? What's up, D Nice? I love you. I do. I love you. I do. So yeah, any questions, ask them. If you don't see them, you can email them in. Yes, we take phone calls. It's kind of working out better than I thought. I don't have that one app thing working, or the one, not app, the electric device thing working, but people still hear it. What you're looking at is so cool. We're going to go over exactly what those little green squares mean for you guys and the signals. That's for sure today. I do have a few things to go over myself before we get going with all that. I love you. I do. Make sure you understand that I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with this channel or anyone who calls in. I am a social media influencer. I sell merchandise on a store that YouTube developed for me. I have no association with that, but it is a little overpriced, but it is good quality. Please head over to the store and buy something there. Wear it with pride. Why? Because we are the only, that's a good segue, wasn't it? We're the only financial trading system in the world that has the United States of America registered trademark through the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Registration number you can see on the left here. Right there. Issued about the safety trade system, and all of the indicators that is used inside the system are trademarked. Kevin W. Grego is me. Class 41 is the only one in the world coaching in the field of generational wealth building. Wow. And all these other things too. It's crazy what it's for. So be very proud of that when you wear your clothes, they're actually trademarked on it. And then, yeah, that's us. Please type yes if you understand I'm not a financial advisor. Never want to be. Never will be. I won't accept a doctorate in anything. I want no part of that shit ever. So please type yes if you understand that. What's up? Glade, X, Joe Bigga, Martin Griffiths, Kelly McMahon, Leon, D Nice, Kelly, KC McMahon. That's weird. Kelly McMahon, KC McMahon. You guys are different. Candle Envy. What's up, Kim? That's what they do with our money. After all, just like one today happened on the buys. I don't know what that means, but we're kicking fucking ass. D-Man, what I missed, family? Just joined. Didn't miss anything, D-Man. We're just starting up. Just firing up, D-Man. Didn't miss a thing, my brother. Martin Griffiths. Yes, Raider Trader. What's up, Raider Trader? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Kim Harrington. Boy, I think Kim's really liking those gold colors, aren't you, Kim? Kim is enjoying the gold calls. I mean, we've been killing it on gold. These signals are incredible. We'll go over that too. I have all day today. Casey McMahon. Oh, you guys are sisters. No fucking way. You're trading sisters. We have trading brothers. We have a couple pairs of those. The first one's come to mind is Jason McCain and his brother. But I didn't know you guys are both. Oh, that's so cool. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys catching on. That is so fucking cool. Love those gold calls. Says Kimberly, I knew you did. What's up, Leon? Well, if I can ever help the sisters out, please let me know. You can hear me better on TikTok. I'm telling you, it's less choppy. But you can see better on YouTube. I would go to both. The Real Safe Trade, Kevin Grego, is the TikTok. There's only about 8 people there, but don't worry when I get over to Vegas, baby. Who's going to Vegas for 2.5, 3 months? Bree and I, Lord willing. Vegas. Wow, can't wait. This time last year we were there for a couple months, but this time we're staying in a full-on house with pool and everything for ourselves. I found out that condo living isn't for me. I don't give a shit how nice a condo is. I'm not that type of person. I can't stand it. I don't like being quiet. I don't like having neighbors. I didn't like. I mean, it was a beautiful place, very nice place, but no. I'm hoping the house is a lot better in that regard. Catching on slowly. Oh, good, Kelly. Well, I'm very glad. Yes, John, Ted, and Matt Parker. Oh, well, there's 3 brothers. And matter of fact, what's his face? Gosh, where's he been? There's another one that had also 3 brothers in himself, so it's 4 brothers there. How's my brother doing with trading? He's on a cruise ship right now. That should tell you how he's doing with his trading. No, he's doing pretty good. Not that good, but I think he's turned a corner now. He's doing real good. Well, D Nice, he's doing good because he's actually listening to the signals. He'll call them when he gets back. Well, I don't know though, because we're going to be in Vegas and shit. He's going to come visit in Vegas with my cousin for a week, but I don't know how that's going to work out. I'm sure he'll be on again though. He loves talking. I hate doing this. He loves doing this. He loves talking. He talks. Lord, I'm willing to do this. I don't have to show myself. Remember, I tried showing myself at the beginning of the year. I can't do it. It isn't me. I'm not doing that shit. Can't stand it. I would like a TV show one day where I can call this shit out and have fun doing it. It would be a blast. Wonder if they can do it without me being on. Put somebody like Matthew McConaughey up there. I just tell him what to say and put it in his ear or something. I don't know. Sergio Bergiak, what's that one thing? Anywho. All right, so let's go over a few things, but anything you guys want to go over today, ask. I have all the time in the world. Usually I'm pushed. I only have like an hour, maybe an hour and a half today. I have all the time in the world. Whatever you guys want me to go over, I will go over. Whatever you want to ask, ask. By all means, I have all day long. You can email in your questions. If you don't see me read them, it's because I don't see them. Okay? So you can email questions in over here. Zoop. The Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. Right there. Again, I can't see certain questions because they're blocked. So if I don't read your question, you have to email it in, okay? So anyway, we're going to go over everything today. Anything you want to go over, all day to do it. Good afternoon, Kevin. One step closer, thanks the system, closer to retirement, I hope. What's up, Mr. C? I hope that's what you mean. All right. So what do we have going on? I already went over the signal call outs from last night on gold and that. So I'm going to show you something. We currently have a 34 for 34, 100% correctly called signals. So that's 34 call outs, signals call outs since January 1st, 34 wins. I'm pretty sure you can't beat that. And my example I gave this morning was, have any of you been 100% since January 1st over 30 trades? And there is no trader, not even me, has been 100%. So I have 2 losses just in my last 20 trades right here. I have, well, they're small, but they lost $8 and $159. Okay, so I have a couple losses in there, and I guarantee you there's no trader ever on earth with the over 30 trades from January 1st with no losses. So think about that when I tell you that the system signal service is 34-0. It has no losses. It has 2 no calls, which means they never engaged. It has 3 call outs by me, one of which was the 4-hour buy stop today, which was just printing money. So I'm not even including the 3 free ones I gave you. It itself is 34-0, just a computer, because the computer follows the rules. I have been 100% wrong. Gosh, Tony, I hope not, buddy. You bet. Okay, let's see. Good. You couldn't have been 100% wrong, Tony. You have the damn system, bro. Oh, that'd make me upset if you did. All right, so 34-0 with the signal service. And Keith is working right now. Oh, previously. Oh, I got you. You had been. I have been. I had been. Yeah, I'm with you on that, Tony. I was 99% wrong. I get one trade right probably every week or two for the first year to 2 I was trading. I couldn't win a trade to save my effing life. It was every time the wrong direction. Every time I put in a trade, boom, wrong direction. Every time. It didn't matter what I traded. I was like, oh, I'm going to outsmart myself. I'm going to go the opposite of what I think it should do. And it was wrong again. I couldn't win. Anywho, it was funny. Yeah, I got you, Tony, before you hit the system. All right. So we have 100% winning signal service. So why on earth would I go ahead and change it and make it better? Well, because I think I can make it better. So watch right here. This is what you're exactly the same as me. I know, right? Tony has fucking fucked up too. Nothing to piss you off more than to lose at everything. It's so funny to me how bad that was. Anywho, look. Keith, the great Keith Palmer, who's currently coding some shit for us right now. Let me go ahead and make this into, oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see something. Nope. Let me see this right here. I love you. I do. Keith is currently coding. I love you. I do. Currently coding. Let's go to make this all NASs. Currently coding. Keith is currently coding something that is going to be pretty fucking cool when you see it here. Watch. Da, 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 da. 1 hour, okay. Just getting the chart set up for you guys. We're going to go 1 hour. We're going to go 15-minute. We're going to go down here to 10-minute, and we're going to go down here to 5-minute. And then we'll stick with NAS for a moment, and then we'll flip out of NAS and go to the other ones. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. There we go. All right. Now, what you're seeing, and I don't ask why it's set up this way, but I just set it up this way quickly, is this box over here is your 1 hour NAS. Then this is your 15-minute NAS. This is your 5, and this is your 10. Okay, I got it. Now I have to keep confuse myself there. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. All right, maybe we can get somewhere now. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. All right, here we go. Nice. We almost have a touch. Which one is this? 10-minute. Nice. Okay. Maybe we got it now. All right, here we go. Now, what you're going to see is these are all, these right here are all da, 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 da. What's up, Tuxaroon? Okay. Gosh, it's fucking so hard to set these charts up, but whatever. All right. So what we have is these green boxes. This is our logo tracements. What it is Keith coded something up so that we can find our logos real easy. What's up, Greg Roberts? All right. So what you're looking at is 1 hour, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute, all NAS. So watch what happens when it retraces. Watch this shit in wonderment and say, how the fuck is this possible? Watch. This is NAS today. Now watch what happens. Technically, we should start down here. 5-minute buy stop forms. This is what's going to be called out in the very near future when this is finished being programmed. 5-minute buy stop forms. Okay, hold on one second. I got to respond to my daughter. Okay. Might just do that tomorrow. All right, sorry. So here you go. What you're looking at is we have a perfect 34 out of 34 win rate, but watch. The 1 hour will signal over and tell us when the signal, the retracement happens for our 1 hour logo. We then go to the 5-minute, we'll call it a 5-minute buy stop. Then when the 10-minute comes up, it will call it a 10-minute buy stop. And then when the 15-minute comes up, it'll call up a 15-minute buy stop. Is that the craziest thing? And wait, it gets better. So you'll have 3 signals per usually. Sometimes it doesn't have time to form the 5-minute or the 15-minute, but in this case it did. And then you're going to look over here. Inside of here, you're going to see another signal. It's going to be like, because these are all fractals. I used to teach that, but people got lost and whatever. But now when you look, the fractal will happen when the logo forms here on the 10-minute, for instance. You'll see the 5 be called out. So in other words, you're going to get multiple confirmations of a trade every single fucking time. Craziest thing I've ever seen. This is crazy stuff right here. Hold on. There we go. I'm learning. See that, guys? I'm actually learning something. All right. So when we do this and we call this stuff out in the future, not now, but I would imagine we have to get to Vegas. That'll be next week, and then we have to get things set up. So I'd say in a couple of weeks, Lord willing, you're going to see gold upgraded to this. Gold's been 100% win rate. Oil upgraded. I'm so thrilled with oil. It'll be, I mean, it's fantastic. Best signal we have offered right now is oil. It's only been called out a couple times, but when it calls it, it's 100%. So oil and gold, and then eventually we're going to get tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 upgraded to this. And then, wow, the 100% win rate is going to be like times 3. Because if there's a 5-minute, it'll call it. If there's a 10-minute, it'll call it. If there's a 15-minute, it'll call it. Wow. What's up, Fly the Sky, Jan? What's up, Jan? Flyowski. All right. So, yes. So that's what you're looking at is what happened today was a buy stop, right? We called out a 4-hour buy stop, whatever it was, 3 days ago. I called it out personally, told you all to look out for it, to take a few days to develop, and it did. And here you sit. Now, when it happens, for instance, in the future, you'll see a 1-hour call today, followed up by a 15-minute, actually, technically, a 5-minute call first, then a 10-minute call, and then a 15-minute call. So for every signal you get, will be 3 for 1 in the future. If they develop, it'll be that way. I hope that makes sense to everybody. It's incredible. So does everybody understand kind of what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Probably lost a few of you on that. Dun, 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 dun. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Tank Dog says 7. Yay! Sounds crazy cool. I know, right, Raider Trader? And wait, Raider Trader. Thank you, Tank Dog. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Raider Trader. Watch. Not only is it going to work that fantastically well on NAS, I told you guys you're all going to love gold. You're going to understand why Kim loved gold. Watch. We're going to go to gold, and we're going to look at the same exact thing. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Watch. This is what you guys are going to be shocked about. So look right here. So now on gold, we had a 1 hour. Earlier today, it was our retracement buy stop. There was no 15-minute. There was no 10. But there was a 5. Woo! So let's go ahead and put our line right here and show you what that looks like. This is just the most incredible thing. Look at that. So it will call it based off this numbers right here you're looking at. A 100% market order, by the way. First time in my history I started using that on oil because these symbols are so accurate you can go right directly in on them. So this will be, you don't have to look for the buy stop. You have to confirm that's a buy stop, and that's it. What's up, Lachey? Once one is called, it's off the races. Well, when we're in it, yes. Otherwise, you have to wait for the buy to form. But in this case, this is a market order off to the races. Look what it did. Right before all that bullshit happened. I don't even know what it was. I'm assuming there was some kind of bullshit news today. I have no idea why it spiked like it did. But watch right here. Watch this. Look at this. It called it right here on this 5-minute candle buy stop. And look what it did. Right? But it called it correctly. Look at all that you would have made. Fuck. So our gold call came out last night, and you had plenty of time to get in. Today, when it will make the call out in the future, I should say, 5, 10, 15, 20, about 20, 25 minutes on that one. Oh, this is non-farm payroll, NFP. Yeah, the only three newses that matter are NFP, don't trade it, except our system just called it out 100% accurately. And that is a fact because we were calling buy stops for 4 hours 3 days ago on the indices and this morning on gold. So don't tell me we didn't, we did. I already went over those trades. They exactly called it out before it happened. And I'm showing you right now how I called it out before it happened. But the only three news things that actually make a difference in the market are NFP, FOMC, and then CPI. Other than that, all news is bullshit. Don't listen to any of it. Because you want to see a nice big movement like it did today. Up and down, up and down. Give me a break. And this one candle alone on gold, you could probably wrote it 10 times up and down from here. It probably went up and down, up and down, up and down in 5 minutes. Maybe even more than that. Look at that gold. 2166, $20 an ounce, 200 pips in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Yesterday we had bullshit news. All called out, Raider Trader. To be clear, 100% accuracy on NFP, CPI, and FOMC news for over a year and a half. We've never missed one. Never missed one. Yes, we get it. Sounds awesome. I think that's a good thing, Matt. Or Matt's being short and wants me to move on to another subject. All right. That is true. You do get it, Matt. Fractals, a logo within the logo to confirm your coming trade. Love it. Yep, that is true. Matt does get it. Maybe he wasn't being short. There you go. And don't even get me started on the sniper and the confirmation of the snipers with this. Don't even get me started on how this is a 5-minute, right? Look at it. 5-minute buy stop. Perfection. Whenever you see the proper buy stop, you'll see the proper sniper. Whenever you see the pink line cross, that gives you the chance to get into the trade right there. So look what you could have done with this trade. Right there, you would have been in right before they announced that NFP and made shit tons of money on it. Yes, I'm behind. Yes, we did get the signals you were explaining. Oh, yeah, awesome. Again, I get the impression that Matt is, I don't know. All right. So does anybody have any questions over what you're looking at? Whether it's gold, oil, any of the three indices. As a matter of fact, for your upcoming Holy Grail trade, which I refuse to speak about, is coming up. Video laggy, sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you listen on TikTok and watch on YouTube, you'll be lagging, but it'll be clear at least. You'll hear what I'm saying. Actually, I kind of think YouTube is better video and audio, to be quite frank about it. Raider Trader said, me and James for that spike and then made our money. Nice. Congratulations, Raider Trader. Will Bitcoin be coming? Stonks? What's up, Shravan Larotosi? I think you mean stocks. We trade a whole bunch of shit here. And I'll look at Bitcoin for you in just a second. This is what we trade here. All indices, majors, all your indices, all your gold, Forex, all your majors and crosses, all the time frames, all 8 time frames, cryptos, all major cryptos. Man, the market's kind of slow. I think it's Friday afternoon. What do you know? When all the American money goes out and they go play golf and go get drunk and go get, well, I can't see what else they do. Stocks. We have top 10 rooms. Look at it all. Look at it all. This is the power of stocks. You guys sleep on stocks. Not a lot of you play stocks. Like, that's Disney. I don't know what MTCH is. I have no idea. But man, you guys sleep. During the day, stocks move, baby. You can make some money, especially if they're announcing earnings or anything like that. Look at all that shit going. It's like Christmas. Every day it's another gift. Look at it. Ta-da. Gorgeous. Nice. 1,500. Congratulations. I have 3 Bitcoin in my wallet. Well, aren't you a happy little man? Congratulations, my friend. Let's take a look at Bitcoin for them. Listen to everyone here, by the way, just so we're clear. I'm going to go ahead and open something up. And I want everyone here to become a Bitcoin expert. Oh, sorry. Hold on. We're going to have to go back here. Everyone here. You might need to use options on those stocks like the leverage and Forex. Absolutely, you can use it. Go over to Thinkorswim and do it. Watch. All right, let's take a look. And everybody here, out loud, please, if you would, type this out. If you guys can see this right in here, I know it's a little, I'm going to go right there for you. Watch. Inside of this tiny little orange rectangle, right here, what is this? Green, 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 red, green, green. What is this? This is Bitcoin, and this is monthly. Everyone speak up so they can hear you loud. You made nice job, Fly. Congratulations. Yay, standing O for Jan. Buy stop, D Nice says. Buy stop, Tank Dog. Buy stop, Jan. Buy stop, Martin. Buy stop, Tony. That is great. Absolutely. It is. She's making money. It's all that matters. So Trayvon, who says, I have 3 Bitcoin. Very easy call. These are monthly candles. Every monthly candle here. 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month. We've been calling live for a buy stop since here, and that would have been March 1st of last year at 26,000. Now that's on a monthly. We would have been much earlier on an hourly, but here it is, sniper cross. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. So everybody could have got in around 24 to 26,000 on the Bitcoin. I said it live, probably hundreds, if not more times than hundreds of times, monthly buy stop. And now people are in on it. No, you don't even want to play Bitcoin at this point. Totally useless. 100% I would not play Bitcoin. Too late to that party. It already. So it's going to go up to 200,000. And it's also going to come back down, and we'll get into it when it comes back down and shows a buy stop. Simple as that. Ta-da. Ta-da. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. All right. So you now are all experts at Bitcoin. You can apply the same monthly thing you can do for anything. Gold, oil, SPX, Amazon, GBP Odge, Dash, USD CAD, GBP. You can apply it for anything. If you see a monthly buy stop like this, take it. Who's going to play monthly? I don't know. You have to have a patience of beyond a saint. But there it is. Okay. Oh, it's not that easy to see. Yes, it is. When it's months, you have fucking months to see this develop. Oh, no one could predict the future. No one knew where Bitcoin was. Yeah, we did. And yes, we are. There's your future. Here it is every month. Green, 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 red. Look at how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A dozen. So a year. Price came over, came up. You'd have your blue down, by the way. Or blue up, sorry. By the way. Boop, boop, boop. Up, 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 up she goes. Yep. System is 100% accurate with 100% accuracy. Now, whether the people who are using my system are 100% accurate, that's a different story. But this is non-repainting indicators. They never change, and they always predict the future with 100% accuracy. Oh, nothing's 100%. Well, I'll say 99%. God can do what he wants. Other than that, 100% accuracy. So that's your Bitcoin. Now, I've showed you exactly what's coming up. I showed you how things are looking. Let's see the last time Bitcoin had a 1 hour. Let me show you what it looked like for you. Here you go. Here's a 1 hour right here. So let me show you what Bitcoin looked like when this developed. So this is a 1 hour. Let me zoom in because some of you, it's really hard to see sometimes. Right here. So you can clearly see the rectangle ended right here, which is the indication for our buy stop to look for. And then you can come right here. 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute buy stops. All of them forming over and over and over again. And guess what it does? Watch. You don't even have to look. There she blows. So there's your 15-minute. Here's your 1 hour. Watch, we'll put the line in for you. And right here. Dude, there's going to be nothing left. Look at it. Look at how much. Just off this last 1 hour, you'd have went from 67,000 to, can't tell, 70. It would have been $3,000 a coin for you. It just can't be stopped. Wait till these signals are all upgraded. We're at 100% win rate with me having one hand tied behind my back. But now Keith, the great Keith Palmer, has given me access to the snipers and given me access to the higher time frames and lower time frames. So now I can see the logos and call it correctly for you guys. Let's see. Amazon Sniper went up on monthly. Oh, I don't think you can look at Amazon. Maybe you can here. Hold on. I haven't really looked at Amazon. Let me see something real quick. But it can't be done on MetaTrader for Amazon. So let's take a look. I doubt you can do it here. Sure, we'll use this one. Let's go over to here. He's saying monthly. This would have been your buy-in right here. Works better than on my other one, but it's still not showing the real direction bar. It's just the bullshit detector. But here on Amazon, yeah, it doesn't have enough history to go back. We'd have to go back to 4 hours, maybe 1 hour. But this would have been your buy-in right here on Amazon. Let's make this a little bigger for you. All right. So somewhere, and if you are talking monthly, I think that's what you said. So somewhere here for monthly would have been your entry on March of this year, a buy stop on Amazon. I've been calling from Amazon and buy at $91 a share, by the way. At about 100 and son of a fuck. Hold on a second. 127, and it's at 176. Wow. So yeah, you'd have made a nice look. And there's your March one. You can clearly see buy stop. And there it is. And there's your logo drawn out. Yep. So Tony, anytime you just want to play a monthly, it will. The reason why monthlies work so easily is they can't fuck around in a month. See, what they can do with you guys is, with us, is they can fuck around with us on 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, even 1 hour. But you can't go on monthly up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. They just can't do it. So what they do is they let the logo form smoothly and easily. And that's why basically weekly, monthly, dailies, they really can't fuck it up. See how price came up, over, formed our logo. What's our logo right here? You can come right here and see it. The green up arrow in this case, and there's a red down arrow. That's our logo. You come over to here. Watch. Price started under, told to come up, came back down, redid our, and that's our logo. Right there. But monthlies, you have to have a fucking, unless you're using a ERUSD or some kind of Forex that's not a GBP pair, do a 0.01, because otherwise you're going to have huge stop losses you have to eat and everything else, and be careful on monthlies. But if you have the patience and you have the money in your account, monthlies are super easy to trade. Every last one of them. Thanks, baby. Love you. Oh. Well, whatever. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, that was Bitcoin, and that was whatever the hell this is. So there you go. Okay, does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? It could be good questions. It could be, what's up, Adam? Good afternoon, Larry. It could be bad. It could be questions. Speak up. I have all day to actually talk and answer questions. Usually I'm in a rush. I have like an hour to get done. I got to go. And when we get to Vegas, and by the end of next week, I'll get all set up and I'll have tons of time in Vegas. Literally, I'll be able to trade through with you from about probably 6 in the morning till 10 in the morning every day, live from Vegas for about 3 months. Last year, me and Bree stayed 2 months. This year, we're staying 3 months. And who knows? I think we're going to be buying a home in Vegas soon, actually. They have some, I'm not sure about the whole HOAs. And you can't get land out there. Land, even if I wanted to pay a couple mil, it doesn't matter. You can't get land. I want 20 acres minimum, 50 acres. They don't have fucking 50 acres. 50 acres is the whole fucking city of Las Vegas. They don't have land. It's kind of bad. All right. Any questions? Please ask. I swear, the one time I have tons of time to do things. All right, who would you guys like me to go over the rules? Yes or no? Dun, 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 dun. Can't wait until we can trade with you again. It's so nice. Yeah, I know, right? Yes, oil. You want me to go over oil rules or look at oil? Yeah, they don't have land. They don't have land. They have like here or there 2 acres. I think the biggest one I could find was 5 acres. You know, they don't have anything out there. I mean, even if you're paying, and I don't want to pay fucking no $5 million for no fucking house. I ain't doing it. We pay cash for several houses. We're going to do a loan out there in that house, whatever we do, just get a regular mortgage. Yes, oil. Oh, the oil rules, sure. Hawaii. I'm going to pass on Hawaii unless I have a blue roof on my house. I do da. Rules for oil. All right, let's take a look. We have a Discord channel. The Discord channel is US Oil Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. If you buy the tiers right now for the regular tiers, for $150, you get $450 a month. You get 5 signals in NAS, SPX, US 30, and 5 in oil. We've only had, I think, 2 oil call-outs, and they've been 100% accurate both times. When oil calls out, it's unbelievably accurate. It's unbelievably accurate because we took all the emotion out of it. So let's take a look. See if I can find us oil rules. Well, there, that was easy. Hi, welcome to blah, blah, blah. Please check your rules and keep them handy. You should print out these rules. Oil has different rules than, well, gold will have different rules too now soon. And but oil does not follow the same rules as NAS, SPX, US 30, or gold. Oil has its own rules. A set of rules for buys and a set of rules for sells. I can't believe you even, it's so easy with oil, it's almost a joke. Okay, if you need help, so let's take a look at this. If you need help, please do the following before emailing us. Matter of fact, we had to ditch some guy today who kept emailing Bree over and over again. I told him to stop. He emailed me back twice. I kicked him out of the Discord. I kicked him out, refunded his money out of the 2. He was in the sniper and in the signals. He's out. He's banned for life. He's never coming back in. I don't have time for anybody that's going to waste Bree's time. I'm telling you right now, I won't say his name, but he's never coming back in. Every one of the questions he asked could have been answered by doing this. Okay? Go to your rules. Almost all of your answers are there. Don't email us before you go to these rules. Don't email us with a question before you go to the Discord and ask your question there. Don't email us until after you go to YouTube and look for yourself and try to find the answer yourself. Don't email us until you attend your advanced training session. Ask your question there. Don't email us unless you ask any of your questions that are not individual but group on my lives. Don't email us until you Google your answer. So, some guy literally asked Bree, oh, the Discord isn't letting me in and says reset my password. What should I do? You know, no. And she's so sweet, she'll answer you guys. If I catch those emails, I'll give you a warning. If I catch it again, you're fucking getting banned for life. I'll never renew you for anything. Oh my God, people. Go to your initial training video you did with me. Rewatch it. If all that fails, then email us. I hope I'm clear on that because that pisses me off to no end when you guys waste Bree's time. Oh, well, you're responsible for your own trading. We set you up. We give you all the tools. We give you a golden spoon. We shove it in your fucking mouth. You guys have to learn how to swallow. Jesus, I swear. Oh, he's mean. Don't buy my system. Let me be clear. If you're thin-skinned and can't be responsible for your own trades. Do not buy my system if you get offended easily. Do not buy my system if you can't follow simple instructions. Oh, he's a hard sell. He's trying to sell us on things. Ha! Ha, 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 ha. Yeah, okay. Loons out there in this world. Wow. All right, silly ones. Here we go. Rules for oil. Because you never know when a safety trade signal AI will see a trade on oil. Always have your Discord alert handy and ready. It can come at any time. Extremely important trading rule. Okay, let's take a look at it. Extremely important trading rule. It does, Matt. It 100% makes you better. Correct. Extremely important. At the end of this video, I teach an extremely important lesson. Watch it, but basically is for buy stops, look for price to be to the left and on top of the line EMAs. And for sell stops, look for price to be to the left and under the EMAs. That worked for a lot of people. Let me show you what that rule is in real life. Look, this came up, came down, prices to the left and up, buy stop. Bitcoin, look at it. If it was opposite, let's see if we got anything opposite. I think we should be able to see one here. Yep, here we go. If we have opposite, let me just go down to smaller time frame. This is ridiculous. And let's see if we go back here. No, all right, fine. Hell, let's go all the way down. We can go down any time frame we want. Let's go down to 30 minutes. No. I'm going to show you what a sell looks like. If we can find one. There we go. All right, here's a sell. This is oil, 30 seconds. Yes, my system works on monthly. Yes, my system works on 1 seconds. 1 second. First one right here, sell stop. Okay. Price is to the left and below. On buy stop, it's to the right and above. So that is a hugely important rule. Follow it. By the way, I'm going to pause here. 7s if this makes sense to everybody. 9s if it doesn't. Da 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 da. Martin says 7. Thank you, Martin. Tank Dog, Raider Trader, Leon. TikTok, anybody? There's only a few of you over there for now. 7s, okay? Hugely important rule. Does a rule mean it happens once in a while? No, it means fucking rule means rule. Follow the fucking rule. Jesus. All right? Buy stops. Only 1 step for buy stops. 1 step for buy stops. Step 1, and only step for buy stops. Only trade the exact trading view symbol in the picture below. U.S. oil spot, WTI light crude. And yet, I still have someone asking me, what symbol do I, or in Discord asking, what symbol do I use for oil? It says it right in your rules. You're telling on yourself, but you don't know what fucking signal to use because it's right here. I write it out for you. There's pictures and videos of it. Am I unreasonable to think that someone should know what oil you should use for these trades because it's in the rules? Am I unreasonable for that? And you wonder why I get upset. I'm not really upset, by the way. I laugh at it all. I'm not laughing. Well, I kind of am laughing at you guys. It drives me insane to think that somehow, some way, someone doesn't know what oil to use. And when I write it out right here, oh, Lord. And yeah, there's the score question right now in Discord. What symbol do I use for oil signals? Oh, Lord. If you can't follow simple instructions, don't buy my system. If you think I'm being mean because I'm telling you don't buy my system when I write out the answer to the fucking oil, which one to use, don't buy my system. Yeah, maybe they thought it was cooking oil or olive oil. Or maybe they thought it was avocado oil. What the fuck, guys? Come on. Once you receive the alert, you must do this. Only during this time period. Trades will only take place between 1430 and 1830. Can I be any more exact? Wait, I can. UTC +2 Athens time for those of you on TradingView. This is exactly when the trades will take place. I can't be any more exact if I said it's only going to take place between 1430 and 1830. UTC +2 Athens time zone. What? I can't be any more exact. I can't be any more exact than that. And I'll still have people, when will the buy stops on for? Oh God, at least you guys make me laugh sometimes. This is exactly how you verify the signal. Step 1 on the 15-minute chart, verify you see a buy stop and that there's a sniper buy stop. Then answer your demo trades and enter the trade. You can do a market order. You don't even have to do the buy stop. You can do a market order or wait for the buy stop. You should be in the middle of a buy stop when this happens, so you can do a market order right when you see this. That's your rule. Make sure that there is a buy stop on your sniper and make sure there's a buy stop on the chart. If you guys don't know what a buy stop is, let me bring you over to it. Let me bring you over to gold. Let me go over to 15-minute. Let me show you what a 15-minute buy stop is. Here's one right here. What do you know? Green, 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 red, blue line low, pink low, purple low. There's your buy stop. What more do you want? You know what? We're still going to have people. Well, I don't know what he means by that. Who asked the question about oil, by the way? Answer this. Who is the person asking me to go over oil, just so we're on the same page? Yes, oil. Tank Dog. Do you now know how to do a buy stop for oil? 7. Thank you, sir. So that's the buy stop. Now let's go over the sell because they are different. So now we did the buy for oil. Here we go. There's how to enter a demo buy trade. Do not ever sell the signals. And it goes over some more specifics with you to try to hone you in on what you're doing. Okay, cool, Tank Dog. Just want to make sure we're on the same. Exactly how to trade oil demo buys. Then there's your sell stops. How do we do a sell for oil? Well, here's oil. Buy stops have different rules than sell stops for oil. Incredible fact about these demo sell trades, they always turn into 15-minute, 30-minute, or 1-hour buy stops, and they will. It's just amazing. We'll have this built into the code too. Verify it. There is no specific trading times for oils, but they happen a lot at 11 o'clock and 1700. They just do. Don't ask. So if you see one at 1100 and 1700, you should take it. Demo only. Okay? This is exactly how you verify a signal. 3-minute chart. You can do a demo order, market order. So if we're at a 3-minute oil and we see a sell come up, let's go to oil. Let's make this one a little bit different now. Hold on. A little bit bigger so you guys don't get confused in what we're looking at. All right, so here it is. Oh boy. And yet again, the awesomeness of having to spread this thing out again. Let's see if I took it. Holy shit, what the fuck? Well, we're almost at fucking heaven. All right. So if we see a 3-minute sell, man, there wasn't one called out today. I am literally shocked. This is this isn't 3-minute. That's why. Hold on. Let me go over to 3-minute. All right. 3-minute. You'll see a sell stop. It'll be going directly into the blue line on the 3-minute. You take it. That's your only rule you need for it. Now you can go down to 30 seconds and such as I teach. But the reality, well, matter of fact, we can go down there. Let's go here. Let's make this a 30-second down here. Even a 15-second, watch. And we're going to come back to here. And we're going to come back to the blue line right here. And I'm going to show you something so freaking cool. Watch. Right here. Pullback was right here. Okay, let's see. So from here, you can play any. Yeah, here's some right here. See these sell stops right here on oil? This is how you play inside of a candle. I don't really get into this too much with you guys, but it's pretty fucking cool. We're playing sell stop from here down to that blue line. You can clearly see red, 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 green. This is the proper one with the blue arched up. Red, 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 green with the blue arched up. It clearly comes in after our green line right here. So you can see we're playing it on the way down, poop, 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 to the blue line, and it goes down. That's in the rules too. So how do you do a sell stop? You can do a market order, or you can do come in like it tells you. Go to the 30 seconds. Go to the 15 seconds. And it tells you if it's further away or closer than. Wait for a half second, price, logo. Extremely important, take profit, runners and re-entries. And most important of all, thank God, do good with your profits. So this is how you do sell stops, when you do sell stops. Oh, really? I can? Let's take a look. Take a look. Everybody has an opinion on TradingView, and none of them seem to work. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, Tank Dog. Thank you, sir. Let me see if I can remove and go to different hourlies here. So let's pull this back. Well, can we reset it again? I think it took it back again. Well, maybe it did. Maybe, no, it didn't. Fuck. Da 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 da. We can do anything except fucking find this shit. And this is why me and Thing will be going round and round for the rest of our lives. Here, let me grab this real quick. Now, let me try. And I'm assuming he's saying I can stay right here and roll. Okay, that's much better. Thank you, Tank Dog. Thank you, sir. I still don't understand why they collapse fucking every fucking time, but whatever. It is what it is. Yay, and now we're back to our gold again. Yay. Oof, let's go over here. Thank you, Tank Dog. That is much, much superior. It really is. Still don't understand why they have to be reset every fucking time, but teach his own. At least it's better than fucking dragging them up one at a time. Kind of. Wow, this is a pain in the... Oh, I know why. Hold on, let me go back over to... Here, we'll make this a 10-minute. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do... I did learn that trick. You can pull it up through different charts. Do I get any credit for that? All right. Look at this. Wow. Da, 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 da. We can do anything. Gorgeous. Rules have already gone over for gold. They're the same as your tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 NAS, SPX, and US 30. Double click doesn't work. No, Leon. Double click does not work. It works to piss me the fuck off. There's NAS. SPX. Yay, it's holding for a minute. Yay, and then sometimes it stays good. Yay. Nice. Also works extremely good on 2 hours. Woo. You get these logos flowing on 2-hour trades like this right here. Ooh, baby. Sometimes we can even get us back to the... Even we can get us back to the 1-hour trades on those. Meaning a bigger movement up for us. If you didn't mention, when the blue line gets up, let me go and put this in here. When the blue line gets up to about 85, 90% high, it doesn't have to be exact. You want to close your first trade down. So you can see clearly right here, sniper low, blue line, buy, stop. And when it gets up to, about that 85, 90% level, sell. Peaking right here. That's probably 85 right there. And then you can always re-enter again or leave one open, but your first movement sell should be on that. Whether you're trading, this is a 2-hour, right? So if this is a 15-minute one, let me black this out again so you guys don't get confused. If you're trading, this is a 2-hour buy, so you trade to the 2-hour top. You stay in the trade, okay? If you were doing a 15-minute, which a lot of everybody does, right? Look like this one today. This one right here, watch. See, it comes up again, almost peaks. So I'd say that 85, 90 is your rule. You can see your buy stop. Blue line goes all the way up, comes close and or, oopsie, hold on, TikTok. Oh, you're not moving. Hold on. They didn't ban or anything. They're just, there we go. Okay, we're back live. It's been an hour, that's why. Does everybody see that? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. That you would stay in a 15-minute trade or a 5-minute trade or an hour or 2-hour trade until your sniper goes up to about 85, 90%. Then I would close one down, move the other one to break even, and let it run. In this case, you would have just came right back down and either made a little profit or broke even. Good afternoon, Kai. TikTok, YouTubers. Hello. Okay. So remember that rule because so many of you get out too quickly. I know I'm reaching a few of you in the Discord because I have several of you now posting up saying, oh, I can hold my trade so much longer. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you can hold them super long. All right. Remember to record your sessions with Ice Cream Recorder. If you do that, you can re-watch your sessions. You only need about maybe 5 or 10 minutes of each day to re-watch, right? And you can re-watch your sessions, let's say 10 minutes, 20 times. It'd be 120 minutes. It'd be 2 hours at night. And you can make almost a month's worth of learning in one night. That's how you compress decades into days. You can literally learn decades worth of this training system in a few days if you do it right. If anybody's new, speak up. You need to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading. That's why beginners do so well at this, so extremely well at this, because they don't have to unlearn anything. They just accept what I tell them and they do it. To master the system, teach it. Teach the system. Teach it to friends. Teach it to family. Teach it to strangers off the street. Teach it over and over again, and you will be helping other people, but more importantly, or as importantly, you're going to be helping yourself to master it. We are senior Stan ambassadors. We were asked to join their program over a year ago. What does that mean? We're a top 50 store. We have 3 stores with them. We make a shit ton of money doing this. And I believe fairly, because what we've done is we solved the problem of trading, of succeeding at day trading. We solved the problem. So Bree and I deserve what we earn, and I don't have 2 qualms about it that we make money teaching this. And again, we may not reach each and every one of you. A third of you, generally speaking, will lose money with my system, which pisses me off. A third of you will break even, which is okay because usually you'll stick with it until you become the other third who make money. Okay? We may not reach every one of you, but to my core, I believe we're your best chance at succeeding at trading. I don't care. God can ask me on my deathbed or when I'm up in heaven, say, Kev, do you really believe that you could, you're your best chance for someone to see? I would say 100% yes, God. He knows in my heart and soul that this is everything, every chance you guys have at succeeding at trading. The best version, the best way to do it is right here, right now with me. Just saying. We do have 3 totally optional add-ons. An add-on means it doesn't come with the system. That blue and pink line is $150 a month. I would sell my car to get it. The scanner I went over earlier, most technologically advanced thing in the world, $50 a month. The signals, I kind of showed out earlier. The signals range from $150 to $350 a month. Okay? So please don't ever forget, those are exactly the 3 add-ons and the only 3 add-ons we have. A lot of you have been renewing lately. Just go to the website and buy. You don't need to email us first. Just renew. I believe and I am determined. You will win then, Anthony. Oh, not Anthony, Adam. Sorry, Adam. All right. Already went over the gold signal called out this morning, earlier today. I've gone over the rules in detail for oil. I'm okay with going them over for the others. I'm not going to do it. Any haters in there would like to call in and tell me that my system doesn't work and show me how it doesn't work? Anyone at all? Any haters out there would like to call in? Shoot your email over to here. Shoot your phone number over to my email, the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. I've been saying that at least once or twice a week for over 2 years on TikTok, over 1.5 years on YouTube. You know how many haters call in? Zero. Zero. You know why? Because all the so-called professional traders that debunk other traders, and I've seen them, I block them on. I want no part of it. They have no clue of what they're really doing. They have no clue of how to actually make money. And they won't call in because my system is infallible. And it's not me saying that. God made this system. I take zero credit for it. But God does not make mistakes. It's 99% accurate or greater. These indicators that you're seeing predict the future with 99% accuracy. And it's just the way it is. They never repaint. They never change. So anybody wants to be a hater, call in. I'm fully free to explain the system to you. Thank you, Larry Cooper, without being asked, for saying everyone buy the system. Exactly. They don't call in because the truth will destroy them. Yeah. Why don't they call in and learn it? Why don't they call in and learn the system? I'm so confused. You can hate on it, right? Oh, it doesn't work. Except I have 2 years of live YouTube videos. I have, 500 up right now, and I have like another 1,000 back. I refuse to do all that changes for the thing, so I pulled them. But anywho, but yeah, I've got 1,500 of videos of me trading every day and calling out trades every day with near 100% accuracy. So why don't you just learn it? Why fight it? People hold on to the damnedest things. Ego can be a hard mind. It really can. What's up, XRP, Den? I love XRP, by the way. I own 2 things. Well, 3. I own a tad bit of Bitcoin. I own about $4,000 worth of XRP. And I own a good bit more than that on Amazon. Love XRP. So anywho, so go ahead and call in if you don't think it works. Or better yet, don't be a lazy ass and actually sit back and watch one of my 400 or 500 videos, or watch 10 of them, and see if it works for your own eyes. See for your own self every day. Yeah, they can't let go that Fibonacci doesn't work. They can't let go that Fibonacci retracements don't work 99% of the time. Other traders can't let go of the fact that support and resistance loses 99% of the time. Google it. Do less than 1% of day traders make money? You'll see the answer. The first answer is less than 1% of day traders make money. But yet, we're all trained the same way. I was one of you. For 5.5 years, I lost $26,500 every trade I placed. I tried Fibonacci retracement on ERUSD and NAS for 1.5 years almost. 1.5 years. And I lost every fucking day. Whatever. So no, look to the left does not work. Fibonacci does not work. Ascending, descending wedges do not work. Block trading, volume, VWAP. Oh, holy smokes. Candle, naming of candle and candle patterns. Stupidest thing I ever heard of. Fibonacci comes from nature. You're going to name a candle pattern, but I can take the candles off and not show them as candles. Then what do you call them? What kind of pattern is that when they're not candles anymore? People are so... I never fell for that one, thank the Lord. Never, ever. Look, you can make them lines. You can make them whatever the fuck all this thing is. HLC areas, blah, blah. You don't even need to be candles. So how could candle patterns work when there's no fucking thing as a head and shoulder pattern? Oh, how does he know what a head and shoulder is? Because I been trading for almost 10 years. I know what all that shit is, and it all doesn't work. Oh, but it works. Volume works, and VWAP works, and block trading works. Fuck it does, and fuck it does. No, it doesn't. Oh, shit, I'm on TikTok still. Sometimes people on TikTok get a little butthurt and they can't stand the truth. You're funny, but you say it's true. Yeah, I fucking know what I say is true, XRP, Dan. It's 100% truthful. All right, anybody on TikTok have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Literally, I have all day to go over this for once in my life. I've been so busy getting those signals set up for you. Don't forget our signals are 34 out of 34 year to date, 100% win rate. We've never missed once with a signal because the signals follow my rules. The signals follow exactly what I say without question. And what do you know? It works. 100% win rate, automated signals. They come into the Discord. 34 correct calls. None of you listening to this have 34 wins. Not even I do. Not with 0 losses. Let me rephrase that. Can you guide me, please? Yeah. Guide, you want to learn how to trade? Sure. Easy peasy. First thing you have to understand is we have rules. Second thing you understand, you need to follow the rules to the T and you won't have a problem. What are the rules? Watch. We have written rules, they never change, and that is exactly how, let me go over here. We make 15 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour. Let's see. Let's move this over here. All right, let me go right to here. Yeah, and this is your buy stop. Okay, so watch. We have, and this will be your rule when it enters in. I'll show you the actual one right here for you. Okay, let me go up to here. All right. Rules, they're written out. That's why it's funny to listen to you how you go up and down the background scanner, new safe trade, and new safe trade. Oh, that's funny. All right. $4,000 today on US 30. Congratulations, Azar. Woo, $4,000. Nah, you're good, XRP. That's fine. I've been recommending it since 31 cents. You've been in it. What was your price back there 5 years ago? Oh, shit, it might have been a little higher. No, hang in there. Hang in there, XRP, then. I really believe, well, it's obviously past the 31 cents since I've been accumulating it. But this is how you trade. You can trade Bitcoin. It works on anything you can chart, over 1,000 different symbols. I'm going to show you on NAS 100. Here you go. Our rules state, number 1 is the blue line high right here. And relative to what? Blue line's high. The pink line is low. So number 2 is the pink line lower than the blue right here. See that? Poop, poop. Yep, that's true. So this is the 1 hour chart. You can see 1 hour chart. You can see NAS. Now we come down to the 15 minute. These are just my earlier call-outs. Did the blue line drop? And was there a buy stop right here? Everybody watching that has the system, this line is cutting across right down here. Let me show you where I'm asking you. Is this a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing right here? Buy stop, everybody that's in the system or has been scamming and listening and watching. Green, 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 red, green, green. Is this a buy stop? And with the blue down and the pink down, this is an absolute. But at any rate, buy stop, sell stop, or nothing. Watch the answers come in, XRP. Greg Roberts, thank you for speaking up. Buy stop. Jan, buy stop. Raider Trader, buy stop. So you can see some of my students that are on here. Mike Snyder, buy stop. Buy stop. Martin Griffiths. Thank you, Martin. Okay, so Kai, thank you, Kai. Every time they answer, they better themselves, by the way. They're not helping me. I know the fucking things of buy stop. All right? So when you see this exact setup, just like that, take a picture of it. It's a buy stop. And what does that mean? Well, in this particular case, it's a 15-minute. So that means price will keep going up right here from our green. You see the green line right here? It went up, whoop, came back down, did another, by the way, this will be a 5-minute one, say trade, buy stop again. So you could have got out here or here. Might not look like a lot, but on NAS, that's a shit ton of money. Here to here, 60, 70 pips, up to here, over 130, 140. So there you go. And that's how you trade. It's that simple. Forget about everything you thought you knew about it, and that's how you do it. I just explained it, XRP. Okay, I'm done. Okay, anyone else have any other questions? Watch some of my old videos, XRP. You'll learn. TikTok, any questions? I'm going to head over to YouTube so I can talk a little freer. TikTok, any questions before I go? Concerns, comments? Every trade. I've done everything. I've reviewed trades. I show you how to work on the 1 second today. I showed you how you all read the monthly Bitcoin today. Any other questions? Azar, congratulations, $4,000 to you. I'm going to go off of TikTok. See you, TikTokers. Bye-bye. YouTube, any questions? I literally had all the time in the world. You guys only barely took over an hour. Damn. Okay. YouTube, any questions before I get rolling? I literally just taught XRP Den how to trade, and he's still asking, help me, please. I don't think this system is quite for you, my friend. You might want to go ahead and, if you can't follow simple instructions, just rewatch the video a few times and see if it makes sense to you. Just getting on. Thanks for all you do. You're welcome, Jay Parker. I don't think you're wasting your time with this asset. No, I think XRP will pay off for you in the end, but whatever. Do what you want. Yep, do you mentor? I'm doing it right now, Dachman. When you buy the system, $575 for the year, which God, I should raise, but I'm not going to. Go to safetytrade.com. When you do that, you get one training live with me in a small group training. I think last week we only had 7 people in it. Every other Monday. Then you get mentoring every other Monday also at 2:15. And I could do another live mentoring class with you. But no, there is no one-on-one mentoring. You couldn't afford it. There's no need. I wouldn't pay it. The small group is fantastic. Plus, you get mentoring. I have over 500 videos on YouTube. Actually, over 1,500. I only show 500 on YouTube. And then you have you can go rewatch those. You can get all the mentoring you need. Hundreds and hundreds of videos for you. But again, if you're thin-skinned, don't buy the program. If you can't follow instructions, don't buy the program. I have hundreds and hundreds of members. With this signal service that we've been offering, I'm going to have to stop it eventually. We're at 100. I'm going to stop it at 300 members. So once I get up to 300. Now we have over 500 in the sniper. We have over 700 with the system. Well, we have over like 800 with the system. We have over 500 with the sniper and about 100 and something and change with the signal service. Okay. All right. Does anybody else have any other questions? Damn, had all day and we're only going to use an hour and a half. Well, I'm not coming back on, so y'all have good luck. Look out for your signals if you're in the signal service. Follow the rules in the signal service. You'll kick ass. All right. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. I'll be back on tomorrow morning. Oh, no, wait. Tomorrow's Saturday. Fuck, I will. I'm good. All right. Thank you guys very much. God bless you. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Do really, really good. Just review everything is what I do this weekend. Don't apologize. I'm not surprised you.